Now let's look at how to create custom syntax for this indicator. Let us go into the indicator settings and pick an existing syntax snippet to understand those 4 segments of syntax. The first part of the syntax represents expiry text. In this part, you may choose between the keywords C or N, wherein C refers to current week expiry, and N refers to next week expiry. The second part of the syntax represents trade direction. In this part, you may choose between the keywords B or S, wherein B refers to buy, and S refers to sell. Combining these 2 parts of the syntax taken in the snippet, the indicator will understand that you are willing to buy next week expiry option contract. Moving on to the next part of the syntax. In this part, you may choose between the keywords C or P, wherein C refers to call option, and P refers to put option. Moving on to the next part of the syntax. This represents the strike price of the option contract. If you look at the chart, the current price of the Bank Nifty is at 43,073. If you wish to trade an ATM strike, irrespective of the call or put, which is 43,000, you will have to type 0. If you wish to trade any upper level strike price, let's say 43,200 or 43,300, you will have to type positive numbers. For example, if you type 1, it represents 1 OTM strike for the call side and 1 ITM strike for the put side. Similarly, if you type 3, it represents the 3 OTM strike for the call side and the 3 ITM strike for the put side. If you want to trade in a lower level strike price, let's say 42,900 or 42,800, you will have to type negative numbers. For example, if you type -1, it represents 1 ITM strike for the call side and 1 OTM strike for the put side. Similarly, if you type -3, it represents the 3 ITM strike for the call side and the 3 OTM strike for the put side. Further to this, it is also possible that if you wish to trade any specific strike price, you can directly specify the strike in the syntax. For example, let's say you wish to trade the 43,500 strike, you can specify 43,500 like this. This part of the syntax represents number of lots. In this example, you are trading with 1 lot. Now that you have understood how to construct a custom syntax, in the coming videos, we shall try deploying some real trades on the broker account.